Understanding, to be up yourself, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to be up yourself. This expression is quite common in English-speaking countries, especially in informal contexts. Our goal is to break it down for you, so you can understand its meaning, usage, and nuances. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. To be up yourself is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who has a high opinion of themselves, often without justification. It suggests arrogance or conceit, implying that the person thinks they are better or more important than others. This phrase is not a compliment. It is used to criticize or mock someone's self-importance. To better understand how "to be up yourself" is used, let's look at some examples. He's so up himself, always talking about how he's the best at everything. Don't be so up yourself. You're not the only one who worked hard on this project. These examples show the phrase in action, illustrating how it can be used to express annoyance or disapproval of someone's behavior or attitude. There are several other expressions in English that convey similar meanings. Knowing these can help you understand the broader context of how English speakers express the concept of arrogance. For example, full of oneself also describes someone who has an inflated sense of self-importance. To think highly of oneself, a more formal way to say someone has a high opinion of themselves. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your vocabulary and give you more ways to express the idea of self-importance in English. It's important to note that "to be up yourself" is often considered informal and colloquial. Its use might be more common in countries like Australia or the UK. Being aware of the context in which you use this phrase is crucial, as it might not be appropriate in formal settings or with people you're not familiar with. Always consider the social context and the company you're in before using idiomatic expressions. We hope this explanation helps you understand what it means to be up yourself, and how to use it appropriately in conversation. English is full of colorful idioms and expressions that can add depth to your language skills. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances that come with it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips in our next video.